Acidic rain occurs every day, yet is often ignored. Acidic rain is composed of sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and VOCs. These toxins form from human activity combined with water molecules that create acidic rain. Acidic rain usually a pH of 4.2 to a pH of 5. A question was created for the topic of acidic rain. The question created was, how does the pH of water affect the suitability for plant growth? The hypothesis formed was, if the pH of water is changed to be acidic on a plant that needs neutral pH water, the plant will not thrive as well as a plant given water with a more neutral pH. The purpose of this experiment is to show how emissions from human activity are affecting plants, to show how growth rate of plants is affected by acidic rain, and to prove how dangerous acidic rain is to plant life. These are some of the various materials needed for the experiment, including potting soil, seeds, aluminum sulfate, limestone, and grow lights. The control variables of this experiment will be the amount of time given to grow, the temperature, the amount of water given to the grass, and the duration of the light. The independent variables would be the pH of the water given to the grass. The dependent variables would be the growth rate of the grass and the total growth of the grass. 4 different pH levels are being tested on plants in this experiment, including a pH of 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, and 7.0. The control test has a pH of 7.0 since the water is at a neutral pH. There will be 3 trials for each of the different pHs. For this experiment, water of varying pHs is needed. To make the water pH more acidic, aluminum sulfate would be added to the tap water. To make the water more basic, limestone would be added to the tap water. The grass will be kept on a table under grow lights for 2 weeks. The treated water will be given to the grass daily. Observations will also be taken daily. Various graphs were created to show the data. This is a line graph that shows the grass's progress throughout the 17 days of testing. Plants giving a pH of 4.5 had an average growth rate of 0.14 cm per day. 5.5 had an average growth rate of 0.17 cm per day. Plants given a pH of 6.5 had an average growth rate of 0.21 cm per day. Plants given a pH of 7.0 had an average growth rate of 0.2 cm per day. This is a graph that shows the total growth of the trials. This is a graph showing the average growth of the different trials of grass. The average growths of the tests are 2.36 cm for 4.5, 2.93 cm for 5.5, 3.56 cm for 6.5, and 3.36 cm for 7.0. This is a picture of the final results. Plants given a pH of 6.5 grew the best. After analyzing the graphs given a pH of 6.5 grew the best, had an average total of 3.56 cm higher than the rest of the test group. It also had an average growth rate of 0.21 cm per day. So the hypothesis was proven partially correct. Plants given water with a pH of 4.5 and 5.5 had the lowest total growth and the lowest growth per day, as stated in the hypothesis. But plants given water with a slightly acidic pH grew the best, compared to the control group of a pH of 7. Rainwater that hasn't been acidified usually a pH of 5.8 to 6.3. When plants are grown in these optimal conditions, the grass grows faster. Grass given a pH of 4.5 grew the slowest due to the water representing acidic rain the closest.